Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. I have recently updated my Windows 10 update version 2004. So I'll just quickly show you how does it look and what features and tips and tricks it has got. So I'm using Dell Inspiron. Since this processor is i5 9th generation, and it has 8 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard drive. So I'll show you the update history. You can check it here, view update history. So as you can see, right now the time is 6:20 and I have successfully installed it on 15th June, so which is today. So I have updated this this I have got this update and I have downloaded and installed it. So this is Windows 10 version 2004. So let's check what new features and what this update has brought to this computer. So if you just click, you can see here what's new, and they'll give you some tips and tricks, like how do you go passwordless with your Microsoft account on your devices, and you can have magnifier, text cruiser. So you have multiple tips here which can go here and check. So you can click on this any of the tab and see the tips, like it has given 8 tips, 6 tips, 5 tips. So what feature you want to use, you can go there and see the tips, how you will be using it. Tips for Word, even you can personalize your PC. You can make a picture, your background, your account picture, personalize your lock screen, sleek new look. You can create a theme, download desktop themes. You will be having a separate option to download from directly from settings. It's pretty good update. If you guys have any doubt, don't forget to ask me in the comment sections below, and if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please do it, and I'll be creating new videos on the updates and computers and everything. So hope you see all this hope you see this full video, and if you have any questions, you can comment me